Oh my gosh, this is just so miserable and depressing. Seeing a close up of my face. um, my name is Thomas E. Lee. I'm 67 years old. Uh, I'm kind of semi-retired, but I teach as an adjunct at FIT in New York. We are, I am, one of my classes is um, probably going to be working with a very interesting skincare company called BioNova in the spring 2021 semester. It's actually a database marketing class, and so well, just getting a bit of a head start here because it's the spring semester starts the second week in February, and it's now January. What is it? 12th. I have gotten some samples of the product. I have told the young lady who runs the company now, Nana Danilov, what my skin condition is. You can see it's just a mess. I mean, got just a terrible skin, terrible complexion. I have lots of acne scars. I had some bad acne when I was a teenager, which I tried to handle and with these skin creams that had, I don't know what, sulfur in them. It just like dried my face out. Oh my gosh. And turned it red. And I had a sun lamp. I tried that. That dried up a lot of the cysts and pimples that I just had really bad skin. And my parents never went to a dermatologist with me. It's just the way it was. And anyway, so I am trying the BioNova acne products. I resisted even, I got the products on Friday. It's now Tuesday morning. Um, as you can see, just looking at me, I'm not someone who's consumed with a preoccupation about my looks. And so I put off starting with the product regimen. But because I'm going to be working with Nana Danilov, I thought I should at least, I'm asking her to do some things and spend some time on things. I should at least try her product, and it's a good idea anyway. So I did try the cleanser today on my cheeks and nose and my forehead. And then I put on a treatment. It's like an acne treatment gel. Put on just a little dab and kind of spread it around mostly my cheeks and my nose. And it had a very nice scent, different scent. And it just kind of made it just kind of felt good. I sort of felt like I did something. So this is day one. We'll see what happens.